And I really didn't know how long all this would take. I did have an idea of how intrusive or how unintrusive, as it turned out, this really is. You know, there is a lot of conversation about the cutting of wires, about having to splice and to see installations out there that, you know, frankly, you know, as a boat owner, you probably would not want to have on your boat. Dockmate is meticulous about the installation. They do not cut wires. As a matter of fact, one of the questions I asked today, you know, should I one day feel like I want to unplug this thing, which I can't imagine doing, but the simple fact is that I could unplug it, and those are not spliced wires that I'm unplugging. Those are plugs that can be pulled and then insert the original. That comfort factor for me is huge, and I think again, if you're looking for a quality installation, one that is non-intrusive in your boat, and all of us boaters care about our boats to the degree we do not want to look at the installation after the fact and say, oh my goodness, why in the world did I allow somebody to do that to my boat? That is not the case. So this installation started this morning at about 9:30, 10 o'clock. We were sea trialing by 1 o'clock, and it's probably, you know, in the 4 o'clock time frame right now. We're done, and I'm sitting here smiling from ear to ear, which is very hard to see right now, and so glad that these were the guys that installed, and that this is the company that I selected to come aboard my boat that I care so much about. My congratulations and thank you to Dockmate.